Want to make money online? Tired of meeting dead ends? Well, here's the solution to your problem. Strategy Check, the one place you can find ways of making money online that work. Okay, hello, welcome to Strategy Check. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can instantly make money online from Bitcoin in 2020. This is a very simple process and I will walk you through how you can instantly start making over $2 worth of Bitcoin every 60 seconds instantly, with only an investment of your time and effort. There are no hidden charges. You only need to set this up once and do not need to make any changes to it. You can earn money right now using just a few websites. Please watch till the end and be sure to subscribe because I'll be making a part 2 of this video to show you how you can earn even more from this method. The first thing you need to do is go to search. That is if you are on your computer. And type telegram.com. You can create an account or sign up for free. If you have one, you can just log into your Telegram account. And continue to this website www.coinbase.com. You can also create an account on Coinbase for free and be able to earn free Bitcoin from Coinbase by learning about Bitcoin and taking quizzes. But that's just aside the point of the video. Don't worry, all the links are in the description below. Then proceed to the link in the description below, which will take you to this free Telegram bot you can earn Bitcoin from. At first, you have to join 2 Telegram groups so you can start earning. When that is done, click on the start button. You will receive a bonus amount of Bitcoin which you can withdraw instantly to your Coinbase Bitcoin wallet address. You also get another bonus amount of Bitcoin when you click bonus. You can check your balance, statistics, and also withdraw to your Bitcoin address instantly. With that said, how can you earn the Bitcoin every second? Click on the referral message. And don't worry about the referrals, I have a quick method to get 100 plus referrals every 60 seconds without you having to spam your links anywhere at any time. To get those referrals and make even more money, you need to go to facebook.com. You can sign up if you don't have an account, or log into your account. I created a new account for this video. Next, go to groups. Then you create a group. You can name it anything you want. Make sure the name is simple and attractive, so people can find it easily and will be interested. I'm going with Crypto Giveaway Monster. After that, you need to find a nice background for your group. You can go to snappa.com, create an account. Find a nice background photo. Click on the Facebook group cover. Then you can create a free wallpaper. I've already created mine to spare time. You need to use the same name as the group name for this to work. You can just use this exact text format on yours, it doesn't matter. But I suggest you come up with something more engaging. Grammarly can also help with that. You then set as group wallpaper when you're done. Another thing you need to do is to create and pin a post to tell the members what it's all about, just so you get their attention. You can also use this text format here and add your email address for them to get a place to come to, whenever they are done with the steps you listed in the post. Like this and subscribe if you want me to do a part 2 of this. Another thing, you then go to your email address and set up the auto reply settings to display this kind of message each time someone emails you. It's a quick setup and you can do this in a few seconds by going to the settings on your email account, then following the steps shown below. You need to do this extra step just to increase the number of people who are going to click on your referral link and keep the cycle going. Just imagine what happens if you add 5 people, someone else adds 5 people, then those 5 people add another 5 people. The huge profit you make is endless. If you still don't get it, you can replay this short video so you understand it better. That's all you need to do, it's that easy. Each time someone follows this process or clicks your link, you will get a referral commission instantly. I'm sorry this video took this long, but I need to explain this easy process to you. Please like and subscribe for part 2 of this video where I show you the ultimate way to earn with this strategy in less than 60 seconds. It's also a one-time lifetime kind of deal. Please, if this worked or helped you in any way whatsoever, don't hesitate to like and subscribe, then give feedback on what you think or any questions you might have regarding this. The comment also if you have any method you want me to try out. Thanks for watching and I hope this helped you in some way. Strategy Check.